Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem where your Bluetooth device is paired but not connected on Windows 11 or Windows 10. It's a super common issue, but don't worry, I will guide you through it step by step. First, let's make sure your Bluetooth is turned on properly. So click the Start button, type Bluetooth settings, and hit Enter. Make sure Bluetooth is switched on. Now, if your device is paired but not connected, try removing it first. Click on the device and select Remove Device. After that, repair it by clicking Add Device. Then Bluetooth and select your device from the list. If that doesn't solve it, let's restart the Bluetooth service manually. Press Windows key or type services.msc and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Bluetooth Support Service. Right-click it and choose Restart. If it's not running, click Start. Next, it's important to check if your Bluetooth drivers are up to date. Right-click the Start menu and choose Device Manager. You expect the Bluetooth section. Right-click your Bluetooth adapter and select Update Driver. To search automatically for drivers to let Windows find the best one for you. Still not connecting? Try toggling Airplane, move it on and off. Click on the network icon in the bottom right corner. Turn on Airplane, move it for about 10 seconds, and then turn it off. This refreshes the wireless connections and sometimes fixes Bluetooth issues. Finally, if nothing else works, restarting your PC can sometimes magically fix the connection problems. It's simple but surprisingly effective. And that's it. One of these methods should get your Bluetooth device connected and working again. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.